my name is Lomodentic. Today I will show you how to exchange the frog tongue or film shield of a Polaroid I-type system, in this case the one step 2, and this is the frog tongue from Polaroid Originals. Let's fix it. But let us begin. First you have to open the film door. As you can see on the back side of the film door bezel, on the right and the left side, there are little holes with pins inside. On the right and the left side of the bezel there are little lugs. You have to lever up, but be careful that you don't break it. Use a little screwdriver to press the pins in outside direction. At the same time use your fingernail on the other side to lever up the bezel. It's better to hold the slider down during you take off the bezel. There's a little coil-loaded spring inside. When you took off the bezel, you can see little pins that fix the film shield in the right position. The film shield that I bought from Polaroid Originals is a little bit different. As you can see, there's a little, I will call it, bridge in the middle, but you can cut it out with a scissor. The rest is the same. Now install the film sheet on the back side of the bezel and clip the bezel with the left side lug and then the right side lug under. And then press the middle of the bezel down. Be careful with the slider, move it to the left and the right. So that's all. The slider moves well. Like you can see on the right and the left side of the film shield is a little recess. There you can take the picture without touching the film shield. Please subscribe my channel. Or just watch another video about instant photography.